Lulu became a B Corp simply because it was the right thing to do. As an organization, we believe in transparency, inclusivity, and doing social good for the world. And those factors really align well with the B Corp mission.
B Corps are for-profit companies that have been certified by the nonprofit B Labs to commit to sustainability, accountability, and transparency. Lulu has implemented a lot of different things to sort of help us become more robust in our B Corporation participation.
Lulu composts now. We have a more robust recycling program. We offset our electricity with a company called Arcadia Power.
We've made modifications to our town meetings and being more transparent to our employees. And we also adopted an employee volunteer day policy where all employees get 3 paid volunteer days to work in the community.
It isn't just a desk job that I have. I'm able to give back.
It definitely makes you feel part of something bigger than just yourself or your company.
Employees want to work for an organization that's responsible, that understands that it has an impact, more so than an individual can.
When your company becomes better, you personally become better, and we are making the world a better place.
Every company should be B Corp certified. It shouldn't even be a thing, it should just be the baseline. We live in a world that is run by businesses, and these businesses need to be stewards for this planet.
We should be treating ourselves with respect. We should be treating the planet with respect. And anything that we can do to make the service better or people's lives better, but doing it in an ethical, sustainable way, it's worth the effort.